Alright, I'm thinking left side, hit it hard, hit it fast. Oh, no. Looks like they probably blew in this mine shaft. I'm guessing this is that high exposure part he was talking about. If this bike slides down there, it is gone. Keep going, keep going. Looks like there's a rainstorm coming in, and coming in hot. Dude! Jack, where'd your Husky go? This is why we do it. This is in a nutshell why we ride motorcycles, or at least this is why I do it. I couldn't live my life without doing this kind of stuff.